Hi, YouTube fans.
Yeah, we're usually pretty busy on Sundays, and of course, since the weather's
We're
nice.
at Pet Store, and we're gonna buy Scotty a tree. We're gonna buy Scotty a tree, and my voice is kind of.
Where are we at? We're at a pet store. We're going to buy our dog a treat. Yeah, throw it in the cart, Elijah.
Guys, you guys know it's so gross. Those are veins of the pig.
Ew, yeah.
That's so gross.
Should we get one with more veins in it?
Yeah.
Or do you like that one more than the one we got?
Look, I'm enjoying that.
No, thank you.
Yeah, I don't know where like it.
You want to beat?
Jojo want to beat. I think we should get a St. Patty's Day biscuit too. What do you think?
I think it's so.
Should we get one of these? Which one should we get?
Let's get.
Look, they even have Easter ones for our dog.
We should get. I think maybe the 4-leaf clover.
That one. That one.
Are those long johns he's got on?
Huh? Yeah, they are.
Where'd you find them at with those prints like that?
We found them at Target, but that was back in a different state.
They are long johns.
Yeah, they
I
are.
think never seen anyone like it. It's got color to them.
Oh, yeah, I know. We can't find any more like that. Like, I've looked this year, and you can't find them at all.
Really? That's the first time I ever seen anything.
I know. I agree. It might have been Target. All right. So, I like the St. Patty's Day, though.
I don't like that one. I like this. This one's a 4-leaf clover.
Okay, grab it. Grab the one like this one, though. That one's more damaged, I think. Okay. All right, you found one?
Hey YouTubers, what's up? I am looking for my cat. For Christmas, I actually got a cat, and I love her to death.
Here, let's find...
I really can't find her any toys.
What do you think for Scotty's breath? His breath does pretty much stink, don't it?
Well, I don't. Yeah.
Not really that bad. We give him strawberries because strawberries is a natural...
Yeah, it's actually good for dogs. Look it up.
It helps their teeth.
Yes.
It cleans their teeth.
Mom, these look like dog bagels.
Let me grab a cart.
Look at these.
Oh, they do look like dog bagels.
Mini dog
Should we get him one?
Yeah.
How much should it cost? I'll
Go
buy
ahead and
him
get one.
I'll buy him one.
No, wait, see him. You're supposed to use it. Oh.
That's
Put down,
okay.
down. No, just kidding.
All right, just grab one.
Just grab one.
All right.
Well,
Put it in the... They're 40 cents.
no, they're 40 cents. Okay.
All right, put it in the cart.
Can I hold it? I want to hold it.
So listen, these are on sale for 44 cents. Do we have... Is there a bigger one? Ooh, look at this. That's
Oh, here,
$2.20.
let me buy Scotty.
Wait, let's see. Well, we got him one already. Look. We got him the green one. For St. Patty's Day, we already got him one. Why don't you get the...
I'll get him this for 44.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I am also going to get my cat something because, well, again, I love her. Just where are the cats?
Oh, there's the plant. The catnip plant.
Oh, the catnip plant. Oh, dang it, it's all my money. I just spent that.
Let's see what else they got.
Abby, will you? I can have 2. Okay, I have 3, that'll make enough. If you give me your 2, and I have 3, we'll think about it.
Let's put it... We'll put it back and then we'll come back to it. We might still get it. Let's look and see what else they got and then we'll come back, okay? We haven't even been down the aisle.
Oh, Sam, those she loves. She will love those, wouldn't she? Yes. That one I have enough for right there if you put in 6
Oh, yeah.
cents. Okay.
Yeah, well, let's go look. Let's see what else they
Let's go
got.
see what else they got. We can buy my fish something.
Your fish, something? What do you want to buy your fish?
I might buy him this, but it's way too much.
Well, his tank I don't think will fit that because you got a little...
Yeah. Well, we need to buy a bigger.
We have a bigger tank right in our shed.
I know. We have like a big.
I'm done with
Well, this is a
cleaning
big
out fish
tank.
tanks, though.
$10 for this humongous tank.
That is a good deal.
Wait,
I'm
Elijah, how much money
done
do
with
you
fish.
I have $2.
After these fish, that is it.
I'll tell you this. If we can't get that catnip thing, then I'll pitch in my money and you can get this fruit. Can we get a bird?
What did you just ask me?
Can we get a bird?
What did you just ask me?
Can we get a bird?
A bird? Oh my gosh.
Mom.
We have so many animals already.
No, but I would like a bird. Mom.
Yeah,
we
but
have one, two,
I would be the one cleaning
we
it.
have 4 animals.
Who gets stuck cleaning all the animals? I've heard this song before.
Mom,
You told me that the last 3 animals ago.
hey Mom, you know that thing that the dogs can run around in the cars that
Yeah.
used to be here? Grandma and Grandpa have that.
Oh, really?
My mom will even tell you I'm pretty good with my cat.
Well, we're going to be checking out, and this is what we decided.
We're even checking out the. Did you know humans can actually eat these?
Oh, I know. Because we know someone that works here, and that's what she told us.